You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this name? This is a name of Welsh origin, a girl's name, feminine. For more names from Welsh and other languages, make sure to stay tuned. Eluned. Eluned. The stress is on that second syllable. Eluned. Eluned. Easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.